Still chasing the Magnificent Seven? Stop right there. The pros are quietly hoarding their cash elsewhere this May 2026. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking beyond the mainstream tech hype to uncover 5 strong buy stocks that institutional investors are heavily pivoting towards right now. Let's dive into the ultimate watch list. First up on our list is Constellium, a mid-cap aluminium player boasting a brilliant projected EPS growth of nearly 74%. The bull case here is incredibly strong. They've just hit a record Q1 adjusted EBITDA, driven by high resilience in aerospace pricing. However, it is always wise to keep an eye on the bear case. They remain exposed to volatile aluminium prices and slightly weak European industrial activity. Next up, we have a familiar face, BP. This large-cap energy major is projecting an impressive 83.68% EPS growth. Why the optimism? Well, their first quarter profit literally doubled, unlocking massive value from their integrated oil trading platform. But do weigh the risks, as Middle East disruptions and execution risks amid their strategic reset could cause some turbulence. Moving on to our third stock, Marathon Petroleum. This large-cap refiner is looking at a staggering 169.44% projected EPS growth. Their refining EBITDA recently tripled, meaning they are unlocking massive capital returns for their shareholders. Just be mindful that narrowing crack spreads and a softer fuel demand could potentially squeeze those margins down the line. Our fourth pick is HF Sinclair, another fantastic large-cap energy refiner, showing a solid 70.36% projected EPS growth. Their net income has swung positive, backed by a very strong recovery in renewable diesel. On the flip side, they are vulnerable to margin contractions if fuel demand drops or if crude costs spike unexpectedly. For our fifth recommendation, brace yourselves. Century Aluminum is a mid-cap stock projecting a rather monumental 2,352.38% EPS growth. This explosive momentum is driven by US smelter restarts and rebounding operations in Iceland, thanks to strong realized prices. But do tread carefully. This stock is highly commodity sensitive and faces severe risks from power cost inflation. Let's bring it all together with the May 2026 Alpha Matrix. As you can see, all 5 of these stocks, spanning across the aluminium and energy refining sectors. Whether it is steady large-cap energy majors or high-growth mid-cap aluminium producers, the data clearly shows where the smart money is heading this month. So, here is the bottom line. Don't buy the hype, buy the earnings momentum. Institutional money is flashing strong buy signals on energy and aluminium right now. Want to get your hands on the next breakout list before Wall Street catches on? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for the Alpha Spot channel so you never miss out on our latest stock market news and exclusive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.